everyone. So guess what? I just bought a dishwasher. Yes, you see that. This is our dishwasher. And look, it's a very good things here. Oh my god, why is it not focusing? How to get a good camera? See, it's comfy. Here it's comfy. And it says, it is how to I feel a dishwasher. Guess what? We'll be unboxing in a minute, okay? Next part. Guys, now I just had unboxed it right now. See, now it's comfy. Look if I turn it on. That doesn't work. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can open it. Look at the inside. It's so amazing. I remove this. Get away. This is so useless. There you go. Get away. How do I? Now you can see right now that a dishwasher. This is the most huge, very huge dishwasher. Wow. Definitely very new. Other one as well. Goodbye. Now introducing this dishwasher. Let me check how the thing here. Oh, they have these thing stripes. Oh. Anyways. Got it. Now can we stay open? Yes, no. Oh yes, I can open. Now here you go. See? The brand new dishwasher. I'm not sure what is that. Goodbye. So, look at this dishwasher, brand new. Whoa. This is brand new. Well, this is a very new, brand new. It's a brand new dishwasher. One part is, these some toddlers, they like to eat. Like they think the dishwasher food, as you see right here, it says comfy and finny, and it says finish, but that finish thing is called the pods. So here you go, you can see that it's a brand new dishwasher. Oh yeah, you can see, what is that? See? Very long video, yeah. This is the type of dishwasher. So here you go, brand new. Bye.